friends, I'm Robin.
I put the fun in functional organization. Let's go! This channel focuses on organizing, downsizing, and decluttering. My journey to get to where I am has taken plenty of detours. My husband, Chris, and I are both civilian pilots by trade. As we established our family and had 3 children, I continued to dabble in aviation and appreciate the time I spent in a variety of jobs, including airport operations, being a production test pilot, a certified flight instructor, mentor, and more. Our careers have taken us from living in Kansas to Missouri, Oklahoma, Virginia, Texas, Colorado, and more. A big move for our family was in 2018 when we moved from Kansas to Virginia with young children. From Virginia, we hit the road and became full-time RV'ers. We explored the United States for 3 years, traveling to all 50 states during that time. We loved our time traveling the open road as we homeschooled and raised our kids, who were 6, 8, and 10 when we launched into the epic adventure of nomadic lifestyle. In all of our adventures chasing my husband's career, I had the hobby of writing and organizing alongside raising the kids while I dreamt of getting back to flying. In 2025, I published my first children's book, Yucky Weather, under my pen name, B.G. Barnstormer. So, where does organizing come in? When the kids were little, I worked to create an orderly home amidst the chaos of having 3 kids under 4. As the kids grew and we moved again and again, I settled each house and worked to make it a cozy home. When we launched in the RV, organization was essential because everything needed a home. Driving down the road was an earthquake, so everything needed to be secure in a place, as well as have easy access to items once we set up at our destination. During my time in the rig, I helped dozens of friends organize their dynamic spaces and enjoyed the challenge of finding ways to make their space work for them. Through encouragement of friends over the years, I finally decided to start this channel. I hope you enjoy the content, stories, and my journey to get to where I am today. I will share tips, tricks, personal stories, and more. My goal is to help you streamline your space to make it functional for you. Having a tidy space clears mental clutter and allows you to have the time and energy to spend doing what you love to do. It's truly a joy sharing things I've learned along the way and help make your journey a little easier. You're not in this alone. I'm right there with you, friend. I've worked my way through piles, exhaustion, fatigue, solo parenting, and more. We're in this together. Thanks for joining me today as I share what brought me to organizing, downsizing, and decluttering. Make sure to subscribe so you catch the next video as soon as it comes out. We'll see you next time.